Today I have came with a new video, modern and latest Mehndi designs. Mehndi is very important for girls. Every girl can understand that Mehndi is very important. How it is too much important to us. These all are Mehndi designs done by me. I am also a biggest fan of Mehndi. I like Mehndi too much. You can see that these all designs are unique, modern and beautiful and very easy to draw. Very simple. This is most beautiful Mehndi design. I like it very much. It's also so beautiful and very easy, very simple. Okay, this is also beautiful, gorgeous. Oh yes, this is too much beautiful. Personally apply this design on my hand. If you're liking my video, then please subscribe.